Google Pay is now in the Philippines. Launched November 18 lang. Ano naman ngayon para sa atin whose finances are dominated by all our online lending apps? Wait guys, in this video, meron akong i-share sa inyo which is something na baka makatulong sa atin sa future and bakit si GoTime, which is one of the rising digital banks, yun yung pinili kong ilagay sa aking Google Pay. If you don't want to miss out on things na naisip ko, charot, baka makatulong to sa atin mga OLA users, then keep watching. It's Ate Red here, the original Utang Queen. Yes, utang po yung palagi natin pinag-uusapan dito sa channel. Now, why am I talking about payment methods, online payment options, and why am I talking about Google Pay? If you're new here to my channel, subscribe if you haven't already. Because na hindi lang utang, but rather how we use utang and other things like that sa ating lifestyle and sa ating choices. Para naman ma-achieve natin yung ating mga personal goals, whatever drama is. Before we continue, wala po akong OLA links dito, pero shopping links meron. So, in this vlog, I'm wearing contact lenses na nabili ko sa EO. They're affordable, and also, I'm using a lip product from Maybelline in the shade of CM17 para kunyari no makeup look. Whatever guys. Pag-usapan natin both si Google Pay and si GoTime. Bakit si GoTime? Ano ba mapapala natin? I have a theory. Kung bakit tayo na-approve sa mga OLA, I think this is gonna be our gateway. And let me explain why. It launched November 18 and everyone's going crazy about it because it is supposed to make our life easier with its tap to pay option. Unfortunately, Google Pay nga di ba? Google Wallet is not available sa iOS. Kaya na-download ko siya sa Android kong phone. Yes, I upgraded to iPhone 17 na hindi ako naglabas ng kahit na anong down payment. Comment below kung gusto nyo ikwento ko sa inyo kung paano ako nakapag-upgrade. Zero down payment, payable in monthly installments, at super sulit talaga na deal. Parang wala nang sana all dyan sa inyo ha, if you're looking to upgrade your phones. Anyways, I'm not going to go deeper into paano nakalusot ng Google Pay sa market natin and how legit it is, but it is legit and it's allowed by BSP. But rather, bakit kong ginamit si GoTime out of the 7 banks na pwedeng link sa kay Google Pay. Bakit si GoTime? The reason for that, because GoTime is a rising digital platform, online banking platform na may ino-offer na more time, which at the moment is only offered sa mga selected na mga GoTime users. Ano ba yung connect? So, let's talk about more time first. More time is a scan now, pay later na option ni GoTime. Utang. And this one is payable in installment at competitively low interest. At kaka-roll out lang po siya ni GoTime. And sayang naman para sa atin na wala pang offer, di ba? But I have this theory, charot, theory talaga. Pag user or avid user ka with this particular bank and meron kang magandang credit history, this is actually a way na eventually mag-offer si bank sa'yo ng pautangang product. Realize ko to because that's basically how I got easily approved for a credit card sa kay BDO. How I was able to get an offer na magkaroon ng Maribank credit. Other legit na kautangan na na-discuss ko na sa channel na to. So, it's about presence. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ka ng offer sa isang bangko, magparamdam ka. So, let's jump on the Google Pay bandwagon kasi baka lang pag naramdaman ni GoTime na loyal pala to, baka mag-offer sila ng more time. And let's talk about more time in a future video. Anyway, so ayun guys, wala namang mawawala and don't close your doors kasi eventually baka meron, di ba? Plus, there are rewards. Ang dami po. It's very rewarding to have a GoTime account. Plus, ito po yung debit card na proven and tested, maaasahan ko when I'm in places like Japan, Singapore, and nung nasa Thailand ako. So, Ate Red, ano yung point mo? Wala akong talagang point dito. It's just that wag na tayong magpahuli kasi baka mahuli tayo at hindi tayo maambunan ng anumang grasya or kaayuhan na pwedeng i-offer ni Google Pay tsaka ni GoTime. But for now, walang utang dito ha. We just need to be more present. We just need to use our GoTime bank accounts more often para magkaroon tayo ng offer. That's basically my point because I'm taking the point of view of someone na pala-utang. So enough about that guys. Paano ba mag-link? Okay? Yung Google Wallet ay wala po sa app, sa iOS, sa Android. Kaya dito ko siya din-download. After I downloaded Google Wallet, ayun, get fast access to your everyday essentials. Charot! Like other online loan platforms, hihingi siya ng mga permissions. And then set up card. The other steps, ayaw niya ring magpa-screenshot, but okay lang guys. I respect this legit loan app, legit platform anyway. I added my GoTime account details, of course. And bakit si GoTime? Because sa GoTime, aside from the rewards, you can also lock and unlock your card within the other app. So, nagpa-agree siya kung payag daw ako sa terms ni issuer, that is GoTime Bank in this case. And double check your card details. Here's the thing. If maka-encounter po kayo ng error, it's most probably because yung in-enter yung details sa Google Pay or Google Wallet does not match what's in your GoTime account. Diba lumipat kami ng bahay, yung first mo nilagay is yung address ko sa yung bago kong address. And bakit nagka-error? Ayaw niyang tanggapin. Yung pala, yung dati kong address, yun yung dapat kong ilagay dito. And that solves it. So, pagkatapos nun guys, ready na to use yung aking Google Wallet. At first, hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin. Oh, yung pala, you need to log in to Google Pay. Choose the payment method. In this case, it's GoTime debit card. And then just tap. I haven't tried it yet. I wanted to try it sa 7-Eleven and I promise, alert ko kayo if I have more information. So, wag pa huli. That's it for today's vlog. This is meant to be like a serie, financial activities serie, and I'll share more if I have more information. So, yun lang guys for today's video. Let me know what you think and I will see you on my next vlog. Ano ba to?